This street has been the home of gentlemen's outfitters for over 300 years. 10 generations of the world's most discerning shoppers have browsed these windows for shirts, suits, shoes, and everything in between. The high street might be facing great change, but these buildings have weathered 3 centuries of changing habits and challenging markets, and the London Blitz. Trickers opened the doors at number 67 in 1938, having moved up the street from the original store opened in 1927. Our commitment to first-class service saw it through a world war, and it's those values we continue to draw on today. Welcome to Tricker's London flagship store, our home on the Great British High Street. In historic St James, shirt makers, milliners and cobblers have plied their trade since the 19th century, putting the area on the map as the destination for menswear in the UK capital. We're proud of our roots here and to share the space with our industry's best in class. After nearly 2 centuries in business, we'll soon celebrate our centenary on Jermyn Street, an incredible milestone in the context of the retail turnover we see in the modern era. In that time, we have welcomed hundreds of thousands of customers through our doors and sent them out delighted with what we believe are the finest handmade boots and shoes in the world. And it's this that forges those relationships. Tricker's timeless design and elite craftsmanship underpin customer loyalty that can last a lifetime, just like our shoes and boots. We follow the same flawless design principles as we did in the beginning. We are renowned for our use of the finest materials, heritage, handmade techniques and attention to detail. Our standards in design and production are superlative, and this extends to the customer experience in store. The only place to get a completely tailor-made service is the store.
Morning.
Good morning, how are you? Yeah, that colour is the one I'm after.
Rubber side.
Under the careful and exacting eye of our expert team, old friends and new faces alike can expect exceptional one-to-one service every time they visit. From the selection of a design through sizing and measuring, styling and aftercare.
Really nice.
Our staff are preeminently skilled and proud to share their expertise as ambassadors for Trickers. An almost unique position in the retail ecosystem, shifting towards shopping online. We invest in personal relationships, reflecting our investment in the preservation of this historic environment. Just as we are custodians of this building and its legacy, there is a heritage to the experience of purchasing apparel and footwear face-to-face that has all but disappeared. The values and standards we hold ourselves to today are the same as they have been at Trickers since we were founded in 1829, which is why we're still here. Even though a single pair can last a lifetime, our customers come back to us for a consistently superior experience. Priceless, simply because it hasn't changed with the times. Every time.